In this video, I'll show you how you can keep your League of Legends settings between all of your accounts. Now the first step, guys, is we need to locate our League of Legends folder. Mine is on my D drive somewhere. On the right, games, League of Legends. And once you're in here, you're going to go to config. Perfect. Now once you're in here, in your Riot Games, League of Legends and config, there are two files in here that are very important. It's the persisted settings and the game.cfg. Now both of these files, what you're going to do is you'll right click on properties and then select read only. Press apply and do this for both of these. Now once you do this, it basically makes them so it cannot be overwritten with me, which means when you go on another account, they will stay the same and not be overridden by the new settings. So once you put both of these on read only, that's basically all you have to do. Now when you launch the League of Legends and you go onto a new account, it will stay exactly the same as the old account. That's how you can do it, guys. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.